Hey, how you doing? It's Mike with the BBQ Depot. Today we want to go over which grills are made in the USA, especially the ones that we carry in our store and the ones that are available on our website. Today we're going to start basically with a mid-range non-stainless grill. It's going to be the MHP, the Modern Home Products grill. There's several different models that you can get with this grill, different configurations. This is going to be a heavy-duty, basically cast aluminum base like the old days. It looks like the old grills. This one here is made in Illinois. Great grill for introductory and a cart model. They do have built-in accessories for it. The next one we're gonna jump up to is we're gonna go into the stainless steel market. We'll start off with the Tech grills. The Tech grill is an infrared grill, only infrared, very high heat. It's made in South Carolina, very high end. It comes on a cart, built in, all kinds of accessories. If you're doing an outdoor kitchen, doors, drawers, and everything like that. The next manufacturer we're gonna kind of talk about is the Fire Magic grill. We don't have any big Fire Magics on the floor right now. We sold them. This is made in California. One of the first grill manufacturers in the stainless steel market. Super high end, full accessory line for your outdoor kitchens too. So we're gonna move over now to these American-made grills. That's the name, American-made grills, made in the USA. Super high end, all stainless steel. They come on carts, they come as built-ins. They also have a full line of outdoor kitchen accessories that you can do to build your outdoor kitchen with. And the next line that we're gonna go over is basically gonna be the Lynx Sedona models. The Lynx is their professional series. It's their super high end. The Sedona is basically their mid-range, we call them kind of average Joe grills for people who are not professional chefs. But if you want to make that jump, you jump to the Lynx grills. Super high end, you can get them built-ins, you can get them on carts. Same with the Sedona model by Lynx. You can get them as carts, built-ins, full accessory line in your outdoor kitchens, made in California. The next manufacturer that we do sell and put on our showroom floor, we're gonna go with the Twin Eagles Delta Heat. Twin Eagles is their main brand. It's a super high-end, professional quality outdoor kitchen line. And then we have their Delta Heat brand, which is kind of like we said, like the Sedona. It's more of like not a professional chef, we call them average Joes. All stainless steel, built-in model, cart models, full accessory line, just like their Twin Eagle models, built-in cart models, made in California, full accessory line for your outdoor kitchens. Great grills, professional quality. We're gonna jump to this AOG model that we have here. This is basically made by Fire Magic. This is kind of what we would call their mid-range grill. This one is designed in the USA, brand new redesign, great grill. You can get them at built-ins, you can get them on carts. Again, full line of outdoor kitchen accessories, doors, drawers, and everything. The next unit that we'll do is we're gonna talk about the Solaire grill. Solaire grill is a super high-end grill. This is a grill that was basically it's a blue flame and an infrared grill, so you can kind of mix and match with this grill manufacturer. They have built-in models, they have cart models, they have mobile models, portable models, all this good stuff. High-end, high-quality stainless, made in California. Full line again also for any of your outdoor accessories. The final one that we're going to go over that we carry here in the store is going to be the Artisan Alfresco. The Alfresco is going to be, again, it's going to be their parent company. That's going to be their super high-end professional grade. Their Artisan model here, this is going to be, like, again, we say is their mid-range. They have them built-ins. You can do cart models, full line of accessories also to go with your outdoor kitchens. So now the Alfresco you're gonna have is their super high-end, super professional grills. They have a full line, all kinds of colors that go with them, side burners, built-ins, cart models, full line again of accessory, made in California, high-end stainless, professional quality, really top-notch stuff. There are a couple grills, Amy, that you don't see here that we do sell that are made in the USA. Heston would be one of them. Like the Fire Magic, like I said, we don't have that. These are great grills, all US made grills. We really prefer the US made grills. We feel that the warranties are a lot better. We feel the parts, their customer service, the support that you're getting from the US made products is gonna be far above the overseas, because they don't have to wait for containers to come across the ocean to get to us, to get their parts. A lot of their stuff they make here, they have it stocked, ready to go. So we're fully stocked on all the parts. We're fully stocked on all the grills and accessories. If you need anything, we're the place to call. You can reach us toll free, 877-983-0451, or you can go to the website. It's gonna be thebbqdepot.com. Any questions, hit us up, let us know. Have a great day.